Is this gross or accidentally gross? Recently, the Philippines is very hot. It's like from April, getting hot really. Going to and to cut. Today I'm thinking to make cheap pepperoncino pasta with walang tela. This is cute, no? See? It's summer times in the Philippines. Thank you for supporting my tummy hypermarket. This one always stuck. First pasta I always get, remember this guy. This one. Pepperoncino, of course, garlic. Ano po? 6 pesos. 29. This is too much, but it might last long, right? The cheapest one. Thank you po. Today's recipe is cheap and sobra good. Oil garlic chili together with pasta we call pepperoncino. Anyway, I will show you what we will use. 2 pieces of garlic, 1 chili, and 100 g of pasta. Olive oil, that's it. First start from garlic. Peel and remove the outside of skin. Then this time cutting is no need to smash, no need to, make it small, just big is okay. Don't. Lastly, leave it here. Next, chili. No need to remove everything, but try to remove the seed because my experience, the seed is very spicy and easy to burn. So just the outside of skin we will use. Chili has power of anti-aging, like vitamin C, melanin, beauty things, but the thing is anti-aging, like nicer skin. Cutting is all done. Then next is, so before you put the fire, 1 big teaspoon olive oil. Put the garlic you cut. And first, strong fire. Then once you see the bubble and sounds, then make it lower fire. Move to the edge of pan and make the garlic oil. We love pepperoncino in Japan, and I even went to Italy to eat pepperoncino, but be honest, this one is much better. Once the garlic color is become potato corner, then put the chili. Because chili is easy to burn, so different timing of putting garlic and chili. Chili is later. And still low heat. Then once the garlic become the dog color, like poodle, then don't be surprised, okay? Don't be surprised. You put 340 cc of water inside. Then make it strong fire. Then waiting for the boil. You put Consome. If you don't have chicken broth cube, but I want you to buy Consome. I'm using a lot, so buy Consome. 4 g of Consome, put it here. And also salt. 1, 2, 3. Then mix. Then wait for the boil. Then once water boiling, then make it low heat. Put 100 g of pasta. So the reason I don't boil pasta separately, this is taboo, right? Put in the pan. Because if you go to pasta restaurant, what they do is like big pan, then boiling water, then put the pasta, right? because so many customer every day. So they put boiling pasta, then make it sauce. So that the big pan, the water they use all the time, like same water, and that water is full of wheat. The wheat of pasta is already inside of water. That's why the pasta already sucked the wheat and that become inside of sauce. Then sauce become very tastier. Because I was wondering why pasta restaurant and at home taste is different. Because the wheat went inside of soup. So that I realized that if you use one pan and put the pasta already, then wheat went outside and soup. It's like same as restaurant of pasta. Do you understand? Do you understand? Hope you understand. Anyway, just put in. Simply, I put pasta inside not because of lazy boiling with other pan. Not. It's better. So do it. Put in the pasta. Trust me. If you see the backside of pasta, it says how many minutes you boil, right? And this one was 6 minutes. So in 6 minutes, you will try to this soup suck inside of pasta and vaporize so that you control the power of heat. Maybe in the Philippines not familiar with peperoncino, but so try it. If you see the video of Saizeria, the cheapest awesome restaurant in Japan, if you notice, when I was high school, all the time I went there eating was peperoncino, which is this one. So nostalgic taste too. Can you see the wheat of pasta went out to the sauce? So this not water, little bit slimy sauce stuck to the pasta and go to your mouth. My explanation is a little bit nasty, no? Sorry, my bad English. Then after water is like almost gone, can you see? Then you super duper lower the heat. Put 1 big teaspoon of olive oil. That's it. Then put oregano. Okay, eating time. My favorite time. Asia. Ooh. Because I made it one pan, I told you the wheat go out, right? Because of the wheat sauce come with the pasta. Because I tried to make cheap and easy, so I didn't make any ingredient inside. But if you have bacon or asparagus, might be very nice. If you want to put bacon, you don't need to put that much of consomme. So less consomme, then bacon umami goes inside of pasta. And if you eat half, my favorite way is put soy sauce. Even Japanese don't know this eating style. If you put little soy sauce, it's really good. Like, then even you don't put anything like as it is, simple, it's really good. ごちそうさまでした. Thanks for watching. So good.